Because Lord knows, no one wants to go to a graduation, even though it's like a torture. It's like freaking 5 hours long. So, que Dios te persina, porque like honestly, is not the way to go.
Okay, hi guys. So today, oh my god, my hair. Oh, so freaking wild. I can't. Anyways, so today I didn't do my usual of doing your glam makeup tutorials because 1, I was sidetracked. 2, I had to go to the hospital because of my allergies. 3, I just didn't have enough time. So you're gonna get a vlog. Anyways, so I'm gonna take you with me to the graduation. And anyways, so before you continue watching on this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what else you would like to see, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
No, that's not working. Okay.
Let's go.
Brother. So we are waiting, we're in Georgia. There was kind of some drama. I'll explain later because we know.
We know the tea.
It was a lot of tea. But anyways, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the graduation. I'm probably gonna die later on, probably have a heat stroke, maybe die of food hunger, I don't know. We're gonna see, so.
Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to you. Taco Boy.
Alright, you heard that. Alright, bye. Hey guys, so I decided to give like a more simple version of what occurred yesterday at the graduation. My thing is like, if you're going to a graduation, be conscious that there is going to be people that know how to handle a graduation by reserving your seats, or that also be conscious that there is possibly going to be like single mothers there, that they are the only ones that are taking care of their kid, or that can only take care of their kid because their kid will only want them and no one else, and will throw even much bigger hissy fit about it. Like, don't be like saying, oh my god, they're so rude, like that kid doesn't need to be here, or that these people are like, I didn't know that you could reserve a seat, like I would just rip this paper off or whatever, right? Like, if you were there beforehand and you were not smart enough, you can reserve a seat and people will respect it. Or that if you can't handle kids crying, do not go to the graduation. They live stream it for a reason. Not everyone wants to go to the graduation. Not everyone can, so you can see it online. That is why they live stream it now. But yeah, like if you're going to graduations, like high school, college, or whatever, like don't make such a fuss about like a kid crying and the mother can't handle her kid, can't take her kid out. Like, she's trying her best. She knows that not a lot of people are very happy that her kid is crying. She's trying to handle it. And also, like, if people want to cheer, they can cheer. If they want to talk, they can talk. We're not at an opera house where it needs to be completely quiet. Like, and if they want to bring an air horn, they can bring an air horn. It's a graduation. Chill, lady. Honestly, it's fine. All right, guys. So bye.
Bitch, you drip like me. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go. You can't take the heat. That's my energy.
Update, she did it. She finally walked. She did.
They were here. Her husband.
That's her husband. That's her sister-in-law. I'm the sister. So she did it. She graduated. Smile. Smile at her.